First question, in a digital communication system employing frequency shift keying, the 0 and 1 bit are represented by sine waves of 10 kHz and 25 kHz respectively. These waves will be orthogonal for a bit interval of. So here 0, the 0 bit represented by the sine wave frequency of 10 kHz. Similarly 1 for 25 kHz. So from that the time period, that is 1 divided by f, reciprocal of its frequency, we will get 100 microsecond. So 100 microsecond, and for this, that is the time period t2. Consider this one as t1, this 2 is t2, that is 40 microsecond. So t1 is 100 microsecond, t2 is 40 microsecond. For orthogonality in duration, time duration, it is an integer multiple of its cycle. So orthogonal happen its integer multiple of cycles. So first consider t1 is 100 microsecond. So we will consider it orthogonal when 200 microsecond, 300 microsecond and going on. Similarly for t2 is equal to 40 microsecond, that is for 80, then 120, then 160, then 200 microsecond and going on. So when this two waveform will be orthogonal, when it comes this 200 microsecond, both have same time period. So this time it will be orthogonal for the bit combination. For when t1 is equal to 200 microsecond, this t2 also cross 200 microsecond. So both in this time period the waveform will be orthogonal. So here the answer is B. Second question, consider waveforms cos 2 pi f1 plus 2 pi f1 t plus theta and cos 2 pi f2 t, where f1 greater than f2 to be for non-coherent binary PSK signaling. If the simple duration is t second and is constant arbitrary angle from 0 to 2 pi, what is the minimum separation required between f1 and f2 for non-coherent orthogonal FSK? Here the condition is f1 minus f2, that is equal to 1 by t. That is the condition. So for minimum separation for non-coherent orthogonal FSK. So here the answer is A. Third question, the number of bits of data transmitted per second is called signaling rate, data signaling rate. So here the answer is A. Fourth question, the frequency shift in the binary FSK usually lies in the range of 50 to 100 Hz. 1000 Hz. The frequency shift in the binary FSK usually lies in the range of 50 to 1000 Hz. That is 1 kHz. So here the answer is A. Fifth question, the maximum bandwidth occupied by FSK. FSK occupies maximum bandwidth. So here the answer is C. Sixth question, for a bit rate of 8 kilobits per second, the best possible values of the transmitted frequency in a coherent binary FSK system are, that is possible values. For coherent binary FSK system, it follows the multiples of this bit rate. Here the bit rate is 8 kilobits per second. So the possible values are, next values are 16 kilohertz and next value is, that is here 8, 16, 24, then 32, that is a multiple of 32 and 40, then 48, like that. So it satisfy in D. So 32 kilohertz and 40 kilohertz. These two are the multiple of 8 with this bit rate 8 kilobits per second. So here the answer is D. Next question. Determine the peak frequency deviation for a binary FSK signal with a Mork frequency of 51 kilohertz, a Mork space frequency of 49 kilohertz and an input bit rate of 2. So here the formula is deviation, frequency deviation, that is equal to modulation of your mark frequency minus space frequency divided by your bit rate. Here the bit rate is 2. So the value here is 41 minus 59 divided by 2. This is modulus. So we will take different value, that is here 2. 2 divided by 2. So we will get 1. The range here is kilohertz, here also kilohertz. So kilohertz. So the frequency deviation is 1 kilohertz. So here the answer is 1 kilohertz A. Eighth question. Determine the minimum bandwidth of binary FSK signal to signal of peak frequency deviation 1 kHz and input bit rate of 2. So here we have to find the minimum bandwidth. That the formula here is 2 into del f plus your bit rate. So here 2 into frequency deviation is 1 kHz. Bit rate is 2. So your bandwidth is, this one is 3 into 2 into 3. So we will get 6 kilohertz. So here the answer is B. Next question. The detection method where carrier's phase is given importance is called concurrent detection. So here the answer is A. 10th question. FSK reception uses correlation receiver and PLL. So here the answer is C.